hands-on. The new retaining arms with lashing strap for the BMW Rear Bike Carrier Pro allow you to transport e-bikes and carbon bikes simply and safely. Just change the retaining clamp on your BMW Rear Bike Carrier Pro. Here's how it works. Remove the existing retaining arms. Unlock the lashing strap with a key and press the clamping lever to fully release the lashing strap. Turn the lever anti-clockwise and press it to open the retaining clamp. Position the retaining arm on the BMW Bike Carrier's frame, release the button and secure it by turning the lever clockwise. Now put your bike stably on the carrier. Position the retaining arm fitting to your bike frame. Wrap the lashing strap around your bike frame and make sure not to squeeze any shifter or brake cables. Now thread the belt in and tension the strap with a clamping lever. Ride together. Attach the second retaining arm just the same to fix another bike. Lock the lashing strips and done. You're ready to ride. Continue watching our How-To series to get the most out of your BMW.